Now in our second video, we are finding the sum of this arithmetic progression, which is denoted by Sn equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n over 2 into a plus l, where l is the last term. But first we will derive this formula and then we will apply it in the different questions. We know that the arithmetic progression is basically equal to a plus b, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, up till a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the arithmetic progression there. Now we are finding the sum of first term, that is denoted by S1, and that is only equal to a there. The sum of first two terms will be equal to a plus d, and that is equal to 2a plus d. The sum of the first three terms, that is equal to a plus d, a plus 2d, and that is equal to 3a plus d plus 2d, that is 3d. Sum of the first four terms, that is a plus this plus this plus this. So a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So that thing is equal to 4a plus 6d. Similarly, we can find out the sum of the first n terms, which is a plus d, a plus 2d, plus a plus n minus 1d. So we can write it like this: Sn. It is a. So for it is 4a, fourth term, then it is 4a. For three terms, it is 3a. For two terms, it is 2a. For first term, it is a. So for n terms, it should be na. Plus this thing, we can write it as a plus 0d, because 0 multiplied by anything is what? 0. So it is, in the first term, it is 0 there, plus in the second term, it is d there. For three terms, it is 3 there. Then for 6, then up till n minus 1. And there is d common in all this part, so you multiply it by d. So now this is NA, and we have to find out the rule for this series there in nth program. This is known as to be called the nth logical term there, which is 0, 1, 3, 6, 10, and so on, up till what? N minus 1. For this, the formula for the progression there is n into n minus 1 over 2. If n is 1, then 1 into 0 over 2 is equal to 0. If n is 2 there, then it should be equal to 2 into 1 over 2, and that is only equal to 1. If it is 3, then 3 into 2 over 2, and that thing is equal to 3. If n is equal to 4, that is 4 into 3 over 2, and that thing is equal to 6. So is it 0, 1, 3, 6? Is it 0, 1, 3, 6, and so on? We can carry it on. So we can simply do this thing with this function formula, that it is basically equal to na plus n into n minus 1 over 2 into the common d there. Now here 2 is common. It should be equal to 2na plus n into n minus 1 into d, or this thing is equal to 2na over 2, and the common is n there. If n is common, then it should be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d over 2. If 2 is common, then it should be equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d over 2, or Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d there. So or last term is this, which is an, and that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So we can write this formula again there, n over 2, a plus n minus 1 into d. But this whole thing is the last term, so it is basically equal to a plus l there. So you can use the first formula when you know the number of terms, the first term and the difference between the two terms, and the second formula you can use when the number of terms you are known and the first term and the last term is known to you. So this is the formula derived for this sum of the arithmetic progression for this part there. Now we will solve these different examples on this basis. For example, the first one formula there is find the sum of 5 plus 10 plus 15 up till so on. You have to find out the sum of the first 20 terms of this. We know that in this a is equal to 5. Difference d is equal to 10 minus 5, that is equal to 5. And number of terms, that is equal to 20. So sum of the first 20 terms is equal to, using this formula number 1. So 20 over 2, 2 into a is 5 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1, and the difference d there is 5. So that is equal to 10 into 10 plus 19 into 5, which is equal to 10 into 10 plus 95, which is equal to 10 into 105, and that thing is equal to 1050. This is the sum of this with the help of this arithmetic progression for 5 plus 10 plus 15 up till 20. Finding the sum of this -8, -5, -2, 1 for the sum of the first 15 terms. Here A is equal to -8. Difference D there is -5 -8, that is equal to -5 plus 8, that is equal to 3. And the number of terms there is 15. So formula there is Sn is equal to 15 over 2. 2 into A is there -8 plus n, 15 minus 1 into the difference there is 3. That thing is equal to 15 over 2 into -16 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 3, 42. This thing is equal to 15 over 2 into 2 13s are, so 15 into 13. 195 is the total answer of this question there, where you are finding the sum of this till 15.